This is a brand new 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, a navigation system, satellite radio, parking distance sensors, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 6,000 miles on the odometer. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, has the torque and power that you need to get the job done. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now. Roy Robinson Chevrolet Subaru is located at 6616 35th Avenue in Marysville. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.